Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is your tutor Ms. Javiria Mas and I'm back with another video lecture. I know it's a very long gap, but I guess it's better to late than never. So yes, in today's topic we are going to continue chapter number 1 from grade ninth, syntax book board physics. So for grade ninth, we are going to continue as I said, chapter number 9, chapter number 1 for grade 9. And our today's date is 26th of Feb 2023, and our today's topic is significant figures. If I'm not wrong, the last video that I was uploaded was regarding branches of physics and physical quantities. After it, there are few topics that are a measuring instrument that says meter, ruler, etc. I guess they are not as such important that required this much long video to elaborate them. So I think I will upload. If you all ask me, or if any of you will request me, I will upload, or anyway I will upload the shorts of basically those topics that I haven't covered so far in chapter number 1, because they are very small topics. So now we are going to start significant figure. Keep in mind, this is one of the most important topic that in MCQs or fill in the blanks points of view. Basically, in board exam, there will be no any chance of coming fill in the blanks, but yeah, MCQs will come, and also the sample paper, or I would say the sort of the paper way the board team have already shared with us, that how the paper is going to come in board exam in this year 2023. So they have already shared the pattern of paper, and according to it, if I'm not wrong, 12 MCQs are going to come. So this topic is important for the MCQs point of view. Now, first of all, let's look at the definition of significant figure. The numbers of reliably known digits in a value are known as significant figures. So, the reliable number are basically called significant figures. Reliable means on the number on which you really rely, or any figure, any number that rely on the numbers, they are called the significant figures. Now look at the rules. So there are basically 4 rules of significant figure. The first one says, first I will write the rule and then I will mention its example over here, so that the topic will cover in a short while. Okay, all non-zeros are significant. All non-zeros are significant. Significant means the one that prominent, the one that is prominent. So let's take an example. Few of the examples that I'm going to share are 2234, significant. 2.52, again there are 3 significant, and in this there are 4 significant, but because as per rule all non-zeros, so the numbers that are non-zeros are called significant. Now look at the second rule. Leading zeros are not significant. Let's just write it. Leading zeros are not significant. What does it mean? Let's have a look on the example. Leading zeros, so the zeros that arrives before any non-zero numbers, like this. Here only 3 significant figures are there. These 4 zeros that are leading, that arrives before the non-zero numbers, are not significant as per rule. Now let's look at rule number 3. So the rule number 3 says, let's just adjust the camera. Okay, I hope this 1 or 2 letter that we're hiding is visible to you all now. Now, trailing zeros are significant only if a decimal is present. Repeating myself, trailing zeros are significant only if a decimal is present. What does it mean? The trailing zeros means the zeros after non-zeros. Okay, so the zeros after non-zeros are significant if there is a decimal point that is present in the figure. That means, let's just look at the example 2.00. Here there are three significant figures. Okay, because as per rule, the trailing zeros, so the zeros that arrives after a non-zeros, are significant if a decimal is present. So there are as a whole three significant figures. Let's look at another example. 2000, then this decimal. Now here there are four significant figures. Why is it so? Because according to rule, the zeros that comes after a non-zero number are significant basically whenever there is a decimal present over here. So as per rule, if there is any number like this, so here only one significant is present over here, and that significant is 4 over here, because these zeros are definitely trailing, but there is no any decimal present. No any, not any, basically not any decimal present, so only one significant figures. Let's just write it somehow neat and clean, that 4000. Only one significant figure is present because the trailing zeros are not significant figure, because there is not any decimal present here. I hope this rule is much clear to you all. Okay, now let's look at the last rule. Trapped zeros are significant. Let's write it. Trapped zeros are significant. How is it so? Trapped zeros means, let's just write its example over here. The zeros that are sandwiched or trapped between non-zeros number. So here as a whole there are 5 significant figures. Let's look another example, 30242045. Again now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures, because here the trapped zeros are these and these, and these zeros are trapped between non-zeros numbers. So as a whole there are 5 significant figures and there are 6 significant figures. I hope this lecture is thoroughly explained and much clear to you all. If you all having any query regarding this topic, you can do ask me in the comment section. Also, if you want any topic especially to make video on it, because the board exams are near somehow now, so you can do ask me in the comment section again, so that I can make a video of it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, till the next video lecture.